Welcome back. Tussle between the state government and CCP is far from getting over. CCP has objected to the construction of jetty by Captain of Ports, while Captain of Ports claim that CCP has no right to issue stop orders since it does not fall under the jurisdiction of the CCP. GSIDS MD, who is also the Commissioner of CCP, Sanjit Rodrigues, refused to comment on the issue.
Mayor of Panji, Surendra Furtado, is irked over the renovation of Captain of Ports jetty. According to the mayor, Captain of Ports has not procured any license from the CCP. He has asked CCP Commissioner Sanjit Rodrigues to send stop order to the Captain of Ports and the GSIDS. He has asked them to apply for CCP's permission and to pay license fees. Prudent media contacted Captain of Ports in regards to jetty construction. They informed that they have not received any order from the CCP. They also claim that CCP has no right to issue any orders to the ports. As per them, there is no need of CCP's permission since it does not fall in CCP's jurisdiction. CCP Mayor Surendra Furtado claimed that CCP has full authority to issue the order. He informed that he has asked the CCP Commissioner Sanjit Rodrigues to issue stop order to Captain of Ports and GSIDS. Furtado also said that he will come out with all legalities within next 2 days. Prudent contacted Chairman of GSIDS Sanjit Rodrigues, but he refused to comment on the issue. Reporter Mahesh Gadi with video journalist Devendra Gaukar.
Canoe owners have decided that they will not follow 61 days fishing ban in state. They claim that government's package of 20,000 rupees per month is not enough. They have demanded a package worth 3 lakh rupees during 61 days of ban. Fisheries Director says canoe owners have changed their stand.
Around 20 to 30 canoe owners met the Director of Fisheries on Monday. They are in no mood to follow 2-month-long fishing ban in the state. Canoe owners want to continue fishing even during the ban period.
So, आमी demand घेऊन येयले की आमी 2 महिन्यानो आमी केन्नाय बंद रावचे नाय. ते तेंका कोणे प्रेशर घालून गव्हर्नमेंटान घालून जावं कोणेय घालूं आमी केशे बंद रावपा नाय. हे आमी आयज मॅडमीक सांगपा येयलोले आनी सीएम म्हणटा कितें की आमकां 20,000 पॅकेज दित म्हण म्हयन्याची. ती आमकां मान्य ना. आमकां मान्य आहा 3 लाख तर दिता जाल्यार आमी एग्री आहा जावपाक.
Director of Fisheries Shamila Montero says canoe owners have changed their stand. She says that conservation of fish is required in long run.
Their plea was that 5 kilometers. Now they have come with a different version, that they don't want a monsoon fishing ban at all. But earlier their contention is that 5 kilometers they are ready to abide by the ban, provided that the 5 kilometers zone is adhered to. So that 5 kilometers, government has assured that we will be doing the patrolling, and ban is not for 5 kilometers. Ban is in the territorial waters of Goa. That is 12 nautical miles.
Omkar Falari for Prudent.
Jaidev Modi Delta Corporation Limited is all set to bring one more vessel into the Mandavi River. Official website of company mentions that a floating hotel will soon enter Mandavi River. Company has already brought MV Horso, the biggest and the most luxurious floating casino in river, on Sunday. Bharatiya Janata Party has always opposed casinos in state, but the new floating vessel and plans of Delta Company raise questions over the whole role of party in power. MV Horso floating casino has been anchored into Mandavi River since Sunday. The vessel has replaced Casino Caravella. Company has brought new casino which has more capacity than the vessel Caravella. The name Casino MV Horso will be changed to Delta Casino.
We have got government approval for getting in the horseshoe vessel that has come in replacement of the Caravella. Caravella is moved out of the Mandavi, and in the position the Caravella was, we have the Casino Royal, and in place of the Casino Royal at that mooring position we have the horseshoe now in place. They have been only given permission to enter into the river. However, the process of surveys and other things will happen now. It will probably take some time, and if she is seaworthy, then she will be permitted to operate in the inland waterways.
Regarding the license to new casino vessel, Chief Minister said, license has not been issued to the new casino, nor anybody has applied for it.
As a Home Minister, if you ask me, I'll tell you no applications have come to me, no applications have been considered. So no license has been granted. First of all, no new license has been granted. Number two, even the boat which has come in has no license of casino operation. Boat जे आयल्या पळय, it is in replacement of Caravella boats. Caravella boat भायर गेली त्या बदल्यान. बोट हाडूंक येता कारण त्या बोटीच्या लायसन्साचेर दुसरी बोट करपाक येता, रिप्लेसमेंट दिवपाक येता. But that does not mean the license of casino given to that boat is automatically transferred to this boat.
Ironically, website of company mentions that company is planning to bring a floating hotel in Mandavi River. An innovative concept in hospitality. Floatel is a 20-all-suite ultra-luxurious floating hotel that will be moored on the Mandavi and will provide all the facilities and comforts of a 7-star hotel. The residents of Royal Floatel would be exclusive patrons of our casinos. Sources inform that floating hotel named Dolphin will arrive after monsoon season. Meanwhile, Casino Rio vessel has been attached following expiry of license. Vessel belongs to former minister from Haryana, Gopal Kanda, the main accused in Geetika Sharma suicide case. The vessel will be shifted soon.
There are 5 casino licenses valid. After this government came, 1 license has been cancelled. They expired, not renewed, refused to be renewed. Cancel जालो तो काडा भितर पडला पळय कांडा काय कोण तो गोपाळ कांडा ताजे we got an offer from an alternate company to take over that license. We have refused that.
Bureau Report, Prudent. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.